Yeah, g'day. It's Chris from Down Under on the Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia. This is a job I'm starting today. I was here 3 years ago when I first met these people, and we started with the patio out here. It's all in a 6x6 tile. We've got furniture out here at the moment because I'm going to be doing all their floor. Anyway, so 3 years ago I started with the patio, and then a year later I did the bathroom. We'll turn on the light. Did the bathroom. There. A year later I did the ensuite. I won't go in there because there's 2 cats in there at the moment, so I don't want to let them out. I'm doing the whole floor in a plank tile. I have just gone over it with a primer sealer over these tiles, and I'll be doing this whole floor in a plank tile, which is and I reckon that is going to be absolute beautiful. Anyway, I'll come back to you shortly.